Hello, today I'm going to show you this mesmerizing cat eye gel look right here, and it is the most simple cat eye technique that you can do for very beginner friendly. So I'm going to show you that tutorial right after these swatches. I'm going to do some swatches from Born Pretty. They sent me over 5 gels and a little magnet, which is what I'm going to use for the cat eye look. And the first one is from the Jelly Nude collection. They're all from the Jelly Nude collection except for the cat eye one, and this is JN64, and this is a gorgeous tanny brown nude, so more on the browner side of nude, not pink. They have a little bit of shimmer in them, and I have to say, whenever I think of jelly colors, I think of a really glass color, a real see-through color, but these actually build up really well in 2 coats. I really like how the first coat you could use as a really sheer coverage, but then the second coat, you'll see, look how much it builds up right here. Builds up really lovely. Has just the slightest shimmer in it, not too much shimmer at all, but just enough. And yeah, this is it with 2 coats here. I absolutely love this one. It's definitely more on the browner side. This one then here is JN74, and when I opened this, I was like, ooh, this is really dark red. I didn't know what to make of this color at first. So when I was painting it on, I was trying to think to myself, how would you use this color? So I know you can sandwich them between the cat eye gels as well. So you could put this over your cat eye and under your cat eye polish, and it'll just change the color of that cat eye polish slightly. But otherwise, I'm not sure how I would use this. If you have any suggestions for this type of colour, please comment down below, because I don't use jelly polishes a whole lot. I want to do it a bit more. So this is, yeah, that's what it looks like with 2 coats. This is one of the only colours that I thought might need a 3rd coat. But with 2 coats, yeah, I thought that one might need a 3rd coat, but the rest of them just needed 2. This one was one of my absolute favourites. So this one is JN72, and it is, look at that pink, like that's such a fun colour. I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. So even with 1 coat, like it was so nice. This one is the 2nd coat here, and you'll see just how opaque it gets in 2 coats. Like you could put that over an overlay and it would be absolutely fine. So then this is the last colour here, and that is JN7, what is this one? JN63. And this one was my favourite. So spoiler alert, that pink beforehand and this one were my 2 favourites. This is like the nude at the beginning. This is a pink nude. So that one was more of a brown nude. This is a pink nude, but this would just be so stunning on its own. Like look at the 2nd coat here, how it builds up. It's a really baby pink, but it has that shimmer through it as well. It's such a slight shimmer, but I absolutely love it. I'm so impressed with these colours. I think they're so pretty. The only one that I'm not sure how I'd use is the red one, but like I said, comment down below if you have any tips. This is the 2nd coat. I was just staring at this one for ages. Yeah, I love this one so much. Okay, so on to the next part, which is the cat eye gel tutorial, and this is reflective glass cat magnetic gel, and the number is 57332-2. So this is the magnet they sent over. So this is what I'm going to use. I've already painted a black base onto the nails, and then I'm going to go on with a layer of the cat eye gel. So this colour could be used on its own. It's one of those colours you could just paint this on and cure it. If you didn't want to do the cat eye effect, it's such an unusual colour, you could use it on its own like this. So I'm just painting a decent amount onto the nail there, and I'm not curing. I'm just going up from side to side with the magnet like this, and you can see it's just pulling the colour there right to the centre. So this technique is just going to give that traditional cat eye look, where it looks really dimensional and the colours reflect differently depending on what side you're looking at it. So you can see there's green and there's also purple. So I'm just doing this technique a couple of times on each side, and then when I'm happy with the look, I'm going to pop it into the lamp to cure. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this nail. I think I show you 2 or 3 nails here where I do the cat eye effect, but this is also reflective gel as well. I'm going to show you at the end it in normal light and it also with the flash on. But yeah, I'm just going to paint on the cat eye gel here and do the same thing again. I'm going to go in with my magnet and just pull it from side to side, up and down, and then at the tip and at the end of the nail also. And I do that a few times until I'm happy with the result. And you can see it moving. You'll be able to see it moving and just kind of flick it around and have a look. But it's important to get it into the lamp as quick as you're happy with it, because the magnetic particles will eventually kind of move back into the polish and you will lose your shape that you're looking for. So yeah, this is such an easy technique, very beginner friendly, and it's such a fun design, really dimensional, such a fun look. If you, especially like if you wanted galaxy nails, this under a galaxy set would be just the perfect base. So this is the end look and it is absolutely stunning. I love this colour cat eye gel, the purple to the green, and you can see it just shift in whatever light you're looking at it. It is so mesmerising. So thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these products to show you. I will have a 10% off in the description, and I will link all these products as well in the description. This is the set here with the flash on, and you can see there it just does show the reflective glitter as well. So it has the reflective glitter in the cat eye also, so it's absolutely, yeah, look at that. It's so cool. And thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.